Let f maps to close interval 0 comma 10 to 1 comma 20 be a function defined as f of x is this is given. Whether the function f of x is either 1 1 or onto or bijective function. First we check 1 1. Check f is 1 2 to check the given function f of x is 1 1. So here is relation given 0 to 6 f of x is given 60 minus 5x by 3. Now I find the value of f of 6, that is 6 minus 60 minus 5 into 6 30 by 3, that is equal to 30 by 3 is equal to 10. And in this relation 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7, f of 7 is given, f of 7 is 10 is given. Here 6 and 7 have same image as 10. So 6 comma 7 have same images. So the function f of x is not 1 1. Is not 1 1. Now we check the function f of x is onto. So f of x is onto. Here is given domain is given closed interval 0 comma 10 and codomain is given 1 comma 20. Codomain is equal to closed interval 1 comma 20. Here the given function 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6, that is the given function is 60 minus 5x by 3. Here 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. Now multiplying by minus 5, that is minus 5 into 0, 0 less than or equal to will be greater than or equal to minus 5x greater than or equal to minus 5 into 6 minus 30. Now I add 60 on both sides, that is 60 greater than or equal to 60 minus 5x greater than or equal to 60 minus 30. Here is 60 greater than or equal to 60 minus 5x greater than or equal to 60 minus 30 is 30. This is written as 30 less than or equal to 60 minus 5x less than or equal to 6. Here is the given function is 60 minus 5x by 3. So dividing by 3, that is 30 by 3 less than or equal to 60 minus 5x by 3 less than or equal to 60 by 3. So 30 by 3 is 10 less than or equal to, this is given function f of x less than or equal to 20. And the given function 7 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Here is given 7 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Now multiplying by minus 3, that is minus 21 less than or equal greater than or equal to minus 3x greater than or equal to minus 30. Add on both sides, that is 30. 30 minus 21 greater than or equal to 30 minus 3x greater than or equal to 30. 31 minus 30, this is 31, that is 31 minus 21 is 10 greater than or equal to 31 minus 3x is given function f of x, which is greater than or equal to 31 minus 30 is 1. So this is written as 1 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 10. So this is the first relation and this is the second relation. From these two, 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, 1 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 20. That means range of the given function f of x is 1 comma 20. Here is codomain is given 1 comma 20 and range is 1 comma 20. Therefore codomain is equal to range. So the given function is onto function, but this is not 1 1 and this is onto function. This is second question from the functions. So here is given the domain of the function f of x is equal to under root of log of 5x minus x squared by 4 base 10 is dash. Here is given, root is given. So this root value always greater than or equal to 0. That is log of 5x minus x square by 4, which is greater than or equal to 0. Here base is given 10. Cancel the log, that is 5x minus x square by 4, which is greater than or equal to 10 power 0 is 1. This is 5x minus x square greater than or equal to 4. This is x square minus 5x plus 4 less than or equal to 0. So this is x minus 1 into x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. So domain of the given function, domain is x belongs to closed interval 1 comma 4. This is the domain of the given function. This is the third problem from mathematical induction. Let the greatest common divisor of m comma n be 1. If 1 by 1 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 3 plus 1 by 13 into 9 up to 20 terms is equal to m by n, then the value of 5m plus 2n is there. Here is given in the first series, that is 1, 7, 13. These terms are in AP. Therefore 20, here is asking 20 terms. That is a value is 1, a plus n minus 1 into d. This is t20. That is equal to a value is 1, 1 plus 20 minus 1, that is 19 into common difference is 6. That is 1 plus this value is 115. 1 plus 19 into 6, that is 114, that is equal to 115. And similarly t20 is equal to, for second series, 7, 13, 19. Here is the first term is 7 and 19 into common difference is 6. So this value is 19 into 6, 114. 7 plus 114. 7 plus 114 is equal to 121. These are the 20 terms in the given series. In here given series, therefore m by n is equal to 1 by 1 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 13 plus up to dash dash last term 1 by 115 into 121. Observe the terms. In each term in the denominator, difference is 6. Here is 7 minus 1, 6, 13 minus 7, 6, 121 minus 115 is 6. So multiplying and dividing by 6, that is 6 by 1 into 7 plus 6 by 7 into 13 plus up to dash dash 6 by 115 into 121. That is equal to 1 by 6 into, this 6 is written as 7 minus 1 by 1 into 7 plus this 6 is written as 13 minus 7 by 7 into 13 plus up to dash dash. This is 121 minus 115 by 115 into 121. So that is equal to 1 by 6 into, this is 7 by 1 into 7 minus 1 by 1 into 7 plus 13 by 7 into 13 minus 7 by 7 into 13 plus up to dash dash 121 by 115 into 121 minus 115 by 115 into 121. Here is 7 cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 6 into first term 1, that by 1 by 1 into 7 is 1 by 7 plus here 13 cancelled, that is 1 by 7 minus 7 cancelled 1 by 13 plus up to dash dash. Here is 121 cancelled, 1 by 115 minus 115 cancelled, that is 1 by 121. So 1 by 7 cancelled. By telescope method all these terms are cancelled. That is equal to 1 by 6 into 1 minus 1 by 121. That is equal to, take LCM. Therefore m by n is equal to 1 by 6 into 121 minus 1, that is 120 by 121. This 6 20 times cancelled, that is equal to 20 by 121. Here m value is 20 and n value is 121. Now we find the value of 5m plus 2n, that is 5m plus 2n, that is 5 into m 20 plus 2 into n 121, 5 into 20 100 plus this is 242, that is equal to 342. This is the answer. 342 is the answer. Next problem. All the real values of p comma q, so that the equations 2x plus py plus 6z is equal to 8, x plus 2y plus qz is equal to 5, x plus y plus 3z is equal to 4 may have no solution. So here given equations is given, that is capital A is equal to, that is write in the determinant form 2p6 1 2q 1 1 3. Here the equations has no solution. For no solution, det A is equal to 0. Det A is equal to 0 means 2 into 6 minus q minus p into 3 minus q plus 6 into 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. That is 12 minus 2q minus 3p plus pq minus 6 is equal to 0. This is 12 minus 6 is 6 minus 2q minus 3p plus pq is equal to 0. So in these two, 3 take 3 comma, that is 2 minus p minus take q common, that is 2 minus p is equal to 0. From this equation 3 minus q into 2 minus p is equal to 0. From this p is equal to 2 and q is equal to 3. If p is equal to 2, that is a is equal to 2 2 6 1 2, q value is 3 and 1 comma 1 comma 3. That is take 2 common in this, for this, that is 1 1 6, that is 1 2 1 1 3 1 2 3 and 1 1 3. For p is equal to 2, first row and third row is same, determinant of this value is 0. So p is not equal to 2 and q is equal to 3. The equations may have no solution for p is not equal to 2 and q. Value of cos theta plus I sin theta by sin theta plus I cos theta whole power 8 plus 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 16 is equal to dash. So here is given cos theta plus I sin theta. This is cos theta plus I sin theta by, take I common in this equation, that is, so cos theta minus I sin theta whole to the power of 8 plus here is 1 plus cos theta, that is 2 cos square theta by 2 minus I into sin theta, that is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by 1 plus cos theta, that is 2 cos square theta by 2 plus I into 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 whole to the power of 16, that is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of 8 by I to the power of 8. I to the power of 8 value is 1 and cos theta minus I sin theta whole to the power of 8. Here is 2 cos theta by 2 common and denominator also 2 cos theta by 2 common and cancel. That is cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2 whole to the power of 6. Now applying De-Moivre's theorem for this. This is cos 8 theta plus I sin 8 theta by cos 8 theta minus I sin 8 theta plus applying De-Moivre's theorem, that is cos 16 theta by 2, 16 into theta by 2 minus I sin 16 into theta by 2 by cos 16 into theta by 2 plus I sin 16 into theta by 2. That is, we know that 1 by cos theta minus I sin theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Here is 1 by cos 8 theta minus I sin n theta. That is cos 8 theta plus I sin 8 theta into cos 8 theta plus I sin theta, that is whole square. This is cos 8 theta minus I sin 8 theta by cos 8 theta plus I sin 8 theta. That value is cos 8 theta minus I sin 8 theta whole square. That is equal to, again applying De-Moivre's theorem, that is cos 16 theta plus I sin 16 theta plus cos 16 theta minus I sin 16 theta. I sin 16 theta plus I sin 16 theta cancelled. That is equal to 2 cos 16 theta. This is the answer. For the equation x power 4 plus x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. The ratio of the sum of the, here is asking the ratio of the sum of the squares of all the roots and the product of the distinct roots is dash and product of the roots is. So first we find the roots of this equation. Given equation is x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Clearly put x is equal to 1 satisfies this equation. That is x minus 1 is a root. That is x minus 1 into x cube minus 2x square minus 2x plus 2x, that is minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x cube plus 2x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Again substituting x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is another root of the given equation. That is x minus 1 into x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we find the roots of x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Applying minus b plus r minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is minus 3 plus r minus b square 9 minus 4 by 2. That is minus 3 plus r minus root 5 by 2. Therefore roots are, so 1 comma 1 comma minus 3 plus root 5 by 2 comma minus 3 minus root 5 by 2. Here is asking ratio of the sum of the squares. That is sum of the squares means 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 3 plus root 5 by 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus root 5 by 2 whole square by product of the roots. That is 1 into minus 3 plus root 5 by 2 minus 3 minus root 5 by 2. That is 1 square is 1 plus 1 minus 3 plus root 5 whole square. That is 9 plus 5 minus 6 root 5 by 4 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6 root 5 by 4 by, this is a plus b into a minus b. That is minus 3 whole square. 9 minus root 5 whole square is 5 by 2 into 2 4. So take LCM, that is 4 plus 9 plus 5, that is 14 minus 6 root 5 plus 14 plus 6 root 5 by 4 by 9 minus 5 by 4, that is 4 by 4. So this value is 1. That is 6 root 5 plus root 6 12 cancelled. That is 14 plus 14 18 22 plus 4, that is 26. 14, 14, 28, 32, 36. 36 by 4, that is equal to 9. So ratio of the roots, sum of the squares to the sum product is 9. That is next problem. This problem is from permutation and combination. At an election, a voter may be vote for any number of candidates, not exceeding the number be elected. If four candidates are selected out of 12 contested in the election, and the voter votes for at least one candidate, here is at least one candidate must be voted, then the number of ways in which a voter can be voted is. So the number of ways of selections, number of ways of selection is equal at least one candidate must be selecting, that is 12C1, and maximum number of candidates is 12 and minimum selected is 12, that is 12C2 plus 12C3 plus 12C4, that is 12C1 value is 12 plus 12C2, that is 12 into 11 by 1 into 2, 12C3, so 12 into 11 into 10 by into 2 into 3 plus 12C4, 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Here is 2, 6 times cancel, that is equal to 12 plus 6 into 11, 66. So 2 into 3, 6, 2 times cancel. 11 into 10, 110, 110 into 2, that is 220. Here is 2 into 3, 6, 6, 2 times cancel. 2 times cancelled, 2 5 times cancelled, that is 5 into 11, 55, 55 into 9, that is 495. So add all these, that is equal to 793. That is the answer. Next question, for 0 less than x less than 1, the expansion of 1 plus 1 by x whole to the power of 1 by 2 is dash. So the given binomial is in the form of 1 plus x whole to the power of p by q is equal to 1 plus p by q into x plus p by q into p by q minus 1 into x square by 2 factorial plus 1 plus p by q into p by q minus 1 into p by q minus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube plus up to dash dash. Applying this formula, here is p by q is 1 by 2, that is 1 plus 1 by 2 into x, that is 1 by x, plus p by q 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 factorial into 1 by x whole square, and 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 into 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 factorial into 1 by x whole cube plus up to dash dash, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, that is 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by minus 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 by x whole square plus up to dash dash. That is the answer. Next problem. This is from properties of triangles. In a triangle ABC, if cos A cos B plus sin A sin B sin C is equal to 1, then A is to B is to C is equal to dash. Here is given the relation is cos A into cos B plus sin A sin B into sin C is equal to 1. From this, sin A into sin B into sin C is equal to 1 minus cos A cos B. From this, sin C is equal to 1 minus cos A cos B by sin A into sin B. We know that the value sin C always less than or equal to 1. The value of sin C is 1 minus cos A cos B by sin A sin B less than or equal to 1. That is 1 minus cos A cos B less than or equal to sin A into sin B. That is 1 less than or equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That is 1 less than or equal to, this is cos of A minus B. That is cos of A minus B is equal to 0. That is A minus B is equal to 0 degrees. That is A is equal to B. That means two angles are equal. And sin C is equal to, substituting A is equal to B in this sin C. That is 1 minus cos A into cos B. That is 1 minus cos square A by sin A into sin A. That is sin square A. That is sin square A by sin square A. That is equal to 1. So sin C is equal to 1 means angle C is equal to 90 degrees. We know that from sine rule, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. Here A is equal to B and angle C is equal to pi by 2. That means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 45 degrees. So A by sin 45, that is pi by 4, is equal to B by sin 45, that is sin pi by 4, that is equal to C by sin 90, that is sin pi by 2. A by sin 45, that is 1 by root 2. B by 1 by root 2, that is equal to C by 1. Therefore, A by 1 by root 2, B by 1 by root 2, that is A is to B is to C is equal to 1 by root 2 is to 1 by root 2 is to 1 is written as root 2 by root 2. So root 2 is cancelled, that is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. This is the A is to B is to C is equal to 1 is to 1 is to root. Next problem. In a quadrilateral ABCD, the point P divides DC in the ratio 1 is to 3 internally, and Q is the midpoint of AC. If AB bar plus AD bar plus BC bar minus 2 DC bar is equal to lambda into PQ, then the value of lambda is dash. Here is given quadrilateral ABCD is given. This is the quadrilateral ABCD. So this is A, B, this is C, D. If a point P divides DC in the ratio, this is the point P. This point P divides in the ratio 1 is to 3 internally, and Q is a midpoint of AC. This is the Q. This Q. Midpoint means this Q divides in the ratio 1 is to 1. So the coordinates of OA bar is A bar, and OB bar is B bar, and C bar, and OD bar is D bar. So now the coordinates of OP bar is equal to, the OP bar divides the CD in the ratio 1 is to 3. That is 1 into C, C plus 3 into D, C plus 3D by 1 plus 3 is 4. And the coordinates of Q, Q is the midpoint of AC, that is A bar plus C bar by 2. Here is given lambda into PQ bar is equal to, so AB bar plus AD bar plus BC bar minus 2 DC bar. Lambda into PQ bar means OQ bar minus OP bar. That is A bar plus C bar by 2 minus C bar plus 3D bar by 2. That is equal to AB bar, that is B bar minus A bar. AD bar, that is D bar minus A bar. BC bar, that is C bar minus B bar. Minus 2 DC bar, that is minus 2C bar plus 2D bar. So take LCM, that is lambda into, here is 4 LCM, that is LCM is 4, that is 2A bar plus 2C bar minus C bar minus 3D bar is equal to, here is, so minus A bar, that is minus 2A bar minus, and B bar, This is b bar minus b bar cancel, and c bar plus c bar minus 2c bar, that is minus c bar, d bar plus 2d bar, that is equal to 3d bar. So lambda by 4 into, this is 2a bar plus c bar minus 3d bar, that is equal to, take minus comma, that is 2a bar plus c bar minus 3d bar. Here is 2a bar plus c bar minus 3d bar, 2a bar plus c bar minus 3d bar cancel, and lambda by 4 is equal to minus, this is minus 1, lambda by 4 is equal to minus 1, and the lambda is equal to minus 4. So the value of lambda is minus 4. For the following frequency distribution, the variance is approximately is equal to. Here is given class interval and frequency is given. Now we find that variance. So first class interval. So class interval is 0 to 5 and 5 to 10 and 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. First mid value. Find the mid value, that is xi. So 0 plus 5 by 2, that is 2.5. 5 plus 10 by 2, that is 7.5. Next 10 plus 15, 25 by 2, that is 12.5. Next is 17.5. 20 plus 25, 45 by 2, that is 22.5. And the frequencies FII is given. This is 4 and 1, 10, 3, 2. Now we find Fi into Xi. So multiplying these two, 2.5 into 4, that is 25 into 400, that is 10. 7.5 into 1, that is 7.5, that is 125. So 17.5 into 3, and that is 52.5, and 2 into 22.5, that is 45. And find xi square. Xi square means 2.5 whole square, that is 6.25, and 7.5 whole square, that is 56.25, and 12.5 whole square, that is 156.25, and 17.5 whole square, that is 306.25, and 22.5 whole square, that is 506.25. Now we find Fi into xi square, that is 4 into 6.25, that is 25, and 1 into 56.25, that is 56.25. Therefore 10 into 156.25, that is 1562.5. 3 into 306.25, that is 918.75. And lastly 2 into 506.25, that is 1012.50. Now we add these. Sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is 4 plus 1, 5 plus 10, this is 20. So this is n is equal to 20. And sigma Fi xi. Sigma Fi xi. Fi xi is equal to, add all these, this value is 240, and sigma Fi square xi square, that is sigma Fi into xi square, that is equal to 3575. Now we find the variance of the following data. Variance is equal to, so variance is equal to V is equal to, we know that the formula 1 by n into sigma Fi into xi square minus 1 by n into sigma Fi xi whole square, that is equal to 1 by n, that is 1 by 20 into sigma fi into xi square, that value is 3575, minus this is sigma xi fi xi, that is 240 by 20 whole square, that is equal to 357.5 by 2, minus this is 0 cancelled, 24 by 12, 12 square is, that is 144, that is 178.75 minus 144, that is equal to 34.75. This is the variance of the given data. Next problem, if the mean of the discrete distribution 8, 9, 6, 5, x, 4, 6, 5 is 6, then its standard deviation nearest to 2 decimal places is dash. Here is given mean is given, that is mean is equal to 6. That mean means 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus x plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 by total numbers is given is 8, that is equal to 6. That is 8 plus 9 17 plus 6 23, 28, 28 plus 4 32, 32 plus 6 38 plus 5 43, 43 plus x is equal to 8 into 6 48. Therefore x is equal to 48 minus 43, that is equal to 5. The value of x is equal to 5. So given data is 8, 9, 6, 5, x value is 5 and 4, 6, 5. These are xi's. Now we find xi square, that is 8 square is 64, 9 square 81, 6 square 36, that is 5 square 25, 5 square 25, 4 square 16, 6 square 36, 5 square 25. These are the xi square. Now we find sigma xi square, that is 64 plus 81 plus 36 plus 25 plus 25 plus 16 plus 36 plus 25, that is equal to, so total value of this is equal to 308. Now we find shortest distance, standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to under root of 1 by n into sigma xi square minus sigma xi whole square, that is equal to 1 by n. So the number of values is given is 8. Sigma xi square is 308 minus sigma xi, mean is given 6, that is 36. So that is equal to 308 by 8, that is 300 by 8, 8 is, that is 38.5 minus 36 under root, that is equal to under root of 2.5. Therefore shortest distance is equal to under root of 2.5, that is equal to 1.58 up to 2 decimals. That is the answer. Next problem, if A and B are two events in a sample space such that P of A union B is given, that is 3 by 4, and P of A intersection B is given 1 by 4, and P of A bar is given 2 by 3. If P of A bar is given, that is P of A is equal to 1 minus P of A bar, that is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore P of A is equal to 1 by 3. We know that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, that is P of A union B minus P of A is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is P of B minus P of A intersection B is P of A bar intersection B, that is equal to P of A union B minus P of A. So P of A union B value is 3 by 4 minus P of A is 1 by 3, that is 12 LCM 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5 by 12. Therefore P of A bar intersection B is equal to 5 by 12. If A and B be not mutually exclusive events and P of A is equal to 4 by 9. Here is given P of A is equal to 4 by 9, P of A intersection B bar is equal to 3 by 7. Then the value of P of B by A. Here is given P of A intersection B bar is equal to 3 by 7. We know that P of A intersection B bar is P of A minus P of A intersection B, that is equal to 3 by 7. Here P of A value is given, that is 4 by 9 minus P of A intersection B is equal to 3 by 7. So P of A intersection B is equal to 4 by 9 minus 3 by 7, that is equal to 28 minus 27 by 63, that is equal to 1 by 63. Now we find P of B by A. P of B by A is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. So P of A intersection B value is 1 by 63 by P of A, that is 4 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 63 into 9 by 4. This is 9 7 times cancel, that is equal to 1 by 7 into 4, that is 1 by 28. The value of P of B by A is 1 by 28. Next problem. If 20% of the bolts are produced by a machine or defected, then the probability that out of 4 bolts are chosen at a random, less than 2 bolts will be defective is dash. Here is given number of bolts is given, that is n is equal to 4, and P is given 20% of the machine is defective, that is 20%. 20% means 20 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 5, and Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5, that is equal to 4 by 5. Here is asking less than 2 bolts, that is P of X less than 2, that means P of X is equal to 0 plus P of X is equal to 1. That is P of X is equal to 0 means 4C0 1 by 5 whole to the power of 0 into 4 by 5 whole to the power of 4 plus P of X is equal to 1, that 4C1 into 1 by 5 into 4 by 5 whole to the whole cube, that is equal to 4C0 is 1, 1 by 5 whole power 0 is 1, 4 by 5, that is 4 power 4 by 5 to the power of 4 plus 4C1 is 4, this is 4 cube by 5 into 5 cube, that is 5 to the power of 4, this is 5 to the power of 4 LCM, that is 4 power 4 plus 4 power 4, that is equal to 2 into 4 power 4 by 5 to the power of 4, 2 into 4 power 4, that is 256, that is 25 into 25, 625, that is equal to, so the value of this is 0.8192. This is the answer. Next problem. In a book consisting of 600 pages, there are 60 typographical errors. The probability that randomly chosen a page will contain at most 2 errors is dash. So here is given with that lambda value is given, that is lambda is equal to 60 by 600. So that is equal to 1 by 10, that is equal to 0.1. So we know that P of X is equal to R is e to the power of minus lambda into lambda power R by R factorial. So required probability, here is asking required probability. Required probability is equal to at most 2 errors, that means P of X is equal to 0 plus P of X is equal to 1 plus P of X is equal to 2. So P of X is equal to 0 means e power minus lambda, that is e to the power of minus 0.1, 0.1 whole power 0 by 0 factorial plus e to the power of minus 0.1, 0.1 whole power 1 by 1 factorial plus e to the power of minus 0.1, 0.1 whole square by 2 factorial. So e to the power of minus 0.1 common. 0.1 power, this value is 1 plus 0.1. 0.1 whole square, that is 0.01 by 2. That is equal to e to the power of minus 0.1 into 1 plus, this is 0.1 is 1 by 10, this is 1 by 200. That is equal to e to the power of minus 0.1 into, take LCM, that is 200 plus 20 plus 1 by 200. That is equal to e to the power of minus 0.1, 221 by 200. This is belongs to R be a small, that the powers of x behind the 2 are significant and negligibly small, for such that x, if 1 minus x whole cube into 2 plus x whole power 6 is approximated by a plus bx plus cx square, then the value of a plus b plus c is dash. So here is given 1 minus x whole cube into 2 plus x whole to the power of 6. 1 minus x whole cube, that is 1 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cube. So neglecting x cube and higher terms, that is x cube is deleted. So 2 plus x whole to the power of 6, that is 6c 0 2 to the power of 6 plus 6c 1 2 power 5 into x power 1 plus 6c2 into 2 to the power of 4 into x square and up to dash dash. The terms are neglected because x cube and x power 4 terms are neglected. That is 1 minus 3x plus 3x square. 6c 0 into 2 power 6. 6c 0 value is 1, 2 power 6. 64 plus 6c1 value is 6 into 2 power 5. That is 32x plus 6c2. 6 into 5 by 2. That is 15. 2 power 4. That is 16 into x square. So that is equal to 1 minus 3x plus 3x square into 64 plus 186x plus 15 into 16. That is 15 into 15, 225. 225 plus 15, that is 240 x square. Now we multiplying these two, neglecting x cube and higher powers, that is equal to 64 minus 144 x square. So this is given a plus bx plus cx square. Here the value a is 64 and b value is 0 and c value is minus 144. So add these three values, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 64 minus 144, that is equal to minus 80. That is done.